Why would seller take terms in a hot market? Always get that question asked. I'll give you a partial list, but I'm telling you that's not the only reason. If they have a debt on the house and they can't pay them payments, that creates a lot of stress. They don't know what they're going to do. A lot of people do not want to call a realtor. Many times the house is not ready to show. Junk laying around everywhere. In other words, hoarders live there and they're embarrassed. They don't really want anybody to come see their house. Of course, when I advertise, I advertise. Take what you want, leave what you want. That takes the pressure off of them. Don't have to move right away. You know, if you need to stay in there a month, we'll work that out. That's a big deal to a lot of people right there. Many times I find that if the house is free and clear, many sellers like the idea that they have a monthly payment. I'm setting them up with an annuity and helping them retire. But of course, any seller that has to have their cash out of the sale of their house is not going to take terms. You have to get over the fact that you're dealing with a very small minority instead of the large majority. Most sellers are worthless, at least to you, because they want all cash and they want retail price. You know, imagine the audacity of these people. Okay, so can't be mad at them, just can't do business with them.